Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss you chapter 3rd Plant Kingdom. That means first of all we discussed about the kingdom Plantae. Plantae includes all eukaryotic chlorophyllous autotrophic organism, some member of partially heterotrophic or parasite. With knowledge, our understanding of plant kingdom has changed due to the member of kingdom Monera and Protista fungi having cell wall have now have excluded for kingdom cyanobacteria, that means blue green algae, are not algae anymore. Kingdom Plantae we discussed, and we will study algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm and angiosperm. First of all, we discussed the system of classification, and the system of classification is based on artificial system and classification. These systems were the earliest, and they used only gross superficial morphological character such as habit, color, member and shape of leaves. This system based mainly on vegetative character or on the androsium structure, that means system given by Linnaeus. That is the drawback of artificial systems. Since they were based on a few characteristics, they are separated and closely related their species. They gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characters, which is not acceptable, as vegetative characters are more easily affected by the environment. Nature, natural classification system. These classification systems were based on natural affinities amongst the organism and considered only the external feature but also internal feature. That means we can discuss about the internal and external features like ultrastructure, anatomy, embryology and phytochemistry. Such classification for flowering plant was given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker, that means Johnson, Bentham and Hooker. And third, phylogenetic classification system. This system is based on the evolutionary relationship between the various organisms and presently acceptable. This system belongs the same taxa, have a common ancestor. Phylogenetic classification system used information for many other sources to solve problem of classification, especially when there is no supporting fossil evidence. And next, numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy and chemotaxonomy. Numeric taxonomy. It is carried out using computer and based off all observative characters which are given equal importance and the same time 100 characters can be considered. This data is proceed after assigning the number and code to all characters and cytotaxonomy. It is based on the cytological information like chromosomes, number, structure, and behavior. Chemotaxonomy, that is based on chemical constituent of plant. First of all, we discussed in kingdom Plantae, algae. Algae are chlorophyll bearing thyroid autotrophic organisms. They are largely aquatic, both freshwater and marine organisms. Some occurs on most soil, stone, wood, and some of them also occur in associated with fungi like lichen and animal. Example on sloth, deer. The size of microscopic unicellular forms as like Chlamydomonas to colonial, for example, volvox to the filamentous form, Eulothrix and Spirogyra. A few marine form consist of massive plant body, example kelps. Vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation and asexual reproduction takes place by during the favorable condition by the formation of zoospore, motile and aplanospore, non-motile. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, that means fusion of two similar gametes, example Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Anisogamous, that means fusion of two dissimilar gametes, example of species Chlamydomonas, or ogamous, fusion between one large and one motile static female gamete and a smaller motile male gamete, example Volvox fucus. And we discussed importance of algae. At least a half of total CO2 fixation on earth is carried out by algae through the photosynthesis, and they increase the dissolved oxygen in water. Many species of Porphyra, Laminaceae, and Sorghosum are among 70 species of algae are used in food. A number of hydrocolloids and phycocolloids such as algae obtained from brown algae and carrageen obtained from red algae are used commercially. Agar and agar is obtained from Glidium and Gracilaria is used to grow microbes and preparation of ice cream and jellies. Chlorella and spirulina are unicellular algae rich in proteinous and are used as food supplement even to space traveler. Thank you.